I'm me, Megan, and today's our first video.
And today we'll be doing the blindfolded slime challenge.
And how it works. Sorry, my brother's over there, and he's being funny. So how it works, somebody's blindfolded, but we don't currently have blindfolds, so we're just using shirts. And so, and you had to make the slime blindfolded without saying, so you don't know how much glue you're adding.
Or the colors, because we all
Or how much activator. So,
water.
yeah. Let's get started.
Okay, guys, so we're going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first.
Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot.
Yes, I go first. Okay, let me put my blindfold on.
Santa blindfold is your shirt. And she cannot help me or I can't help her.
Okay, so and Megan's going to put all this stuff on my table and mix them up. Oh, that's the slime my brother made before.
That's poopy.
He did it. Okay, so you're going to put all the stuff on my table, Megan? Don't mix anything up by, like,
Okay, so I'm going to mix everything now.
And right now I'm holding on to my bowl and my stir. So she has to mix them around. What the heck is that noise? It's like... Make sure the water is on it too. That sounds so good. Okay. You almost done?
Yes.
Okay, so guys, let's start with my glue. Found glue. So scared. Okay, I added some. Okay, let's just put that to here. Okay, hey, stop moving things. I think I'm gonna add my color. So yes, I'm gonna add this color.
It's not quiet.
Yeah.
Ow. So, what color do you think it is?
This is the color, hopefully. Pink. Pink. I'm guessing pink because that's the one that was opened like before. It seems slightly open. Okay. How am I cheating? All I see is pitch black.
Can I go?
Okay, where's the water? Water. So that means my color is pink.
Yeah.
Why does it feel like slime?
We mixed up the lids.
Seriously?
Yeah, we did that before, but we were doing it with rubber. Okay, so actually, take off your mic. Okay, so sorry, I kind of hurt you a little, because her, actually, her nose. So this, before we were doing it with our brother when he made this slime, and so me and Robert switched around the lids for them. And this slime, I just wanted her to make from before, so we just switched around the lids. Alright, but now Jamie's actually gonna do it.
No, I want you to go.
Okay, but you're not allowed to switch around the lids.
I'm not.
Robert, make sure she does not.
Don't talk to Robert. Okay. So
Okay.
guys, she's gonna put the blindfold on. And I'm gonna mix all her stuff around.
Go. Okay, my blindfold is currently on, so let's do this. Okay. I'm gonna move my cranberry juice off to Jamie's table for right now. So I don't put it on my table.
I didn't. You put it there.
No. Okay, so we're gonna add in the big. You're not allowed to mix my spoon around.
Oh, because when I was putting this stuff, I actually put it there.
Take out my bowl. And get my cranberry juice off my table. Sorry, guys. Jamie's being a little. Okay, so. Hopefully this is in the bowl. Okay. I'm scared. Where's the lid? Can you just hand me the lid?
In front of you.
Myself had it. Okay.
do I need?
How much glue did you add?
Need color.
Feel it.
Color. Wow. Why do you laugh?
Stop looking up. You have to look down.
I can't even see.
Look down.
You, Jimmy, you might want me to look up. Cause so then if I, cause I either way. Okay, so we're gonna mix the color and the glue together. Look at that. Oh, we should add a little bit more color. Okay.
I think you need a tiny bit more paint.
Paint. Okay, hold on. Let's just add. Okay. Well, look. Okay, where's the
What?
the
the cap
lid?
belt.
Okay, we'll put that onto yours. Let's do this color. Hopefully, I'm praying that it's the same. What is?
Okay, you should mix that up.
Smells good.
How much glue did you add?
A lot.
What color is that making? That's a really pretty color. That makes it such a pretty color.
Let's add some more color of this. That's fine. Okay, so I think that should be good enough color. We need. Stop it! I don't.
I'm just putting the paint on.
Where is the water? Okay.
You need a tiny bit more glue. I
Tiny bit.
swear, a tiny bit more.
Okay. Well,
Make sure it
what
comes
am I
out though, because it has to come out. There's
Okay.
like nothing in there. It looks like there's nothing in there.
Hold on. Stop it! Don't touch it.
I'm not gonna touch it. Make sure it comes out.
Oh! What? Oh
Okay, you're gonna need more glue then.
no. No, I can just go like this. Okay. Well, after we can use the spare glue to make a slime on them. You know. Okay. So now, oh, my hands are really messy. Can I get a paper towel or something in here,
No.
please? Or
No.
wipe it on your.
No, don't.
Oh, what is that?
That's the camera.
Oh, sorry, camera. Okay, we need activator. We make a lot of this because I have a ton of glue in here. So I need a lot. Oh, that's really good.
It's such a good slime. It's like it's like how I like to make my slimes. It's like sticking on the edges.
Oop, I get a lot of water. Oh, this is a nice slime.
It looks
think.
really pretty.
I don't want to touch
There's
it.
so much glue on the table. Look at that. Like, I think you can make this slime on the table too.
Maybe if you got some activator.
Just okay. Do you want me to add your activator to it?
Yeah, my slime needs a little tiny. Actually, give it to me. I can do it. That's water. Where's the
I
activator?
need a tiny bit onto the table. It's right here.
Where?
Here. There's the activator. Now mix that in.
That's not the activator.
I put a little activator. Yeah, I did.
In my bowl?
Oh no, you don't need an activator in your bowl.
Yes, I do.
I know.
Yes, I do. Oh, this is. I just like this one. I just really like this one. But I'm not gonna. I think mine's like purple, maybe. That'll be really pretty, the purple. Where's the activator?
It's right in front of you.
Oh, found it. We need a little bit more in here. Is that pretty?
Yeah, it's really pretty. I love the color. It's such a beautiful, like, color. I can't tell you.
Okay. Okay. Can I take off the
color.
blindfold?
No.
Hold on. I need to knead milk.
You need to knead that
I
slime.
think I did way too much water. So now it's kind of like sticky. I might
Megan,
need.
I heard you too.
That wasn't me.
Are you sure about that?
I'm positive. I didn't even fart.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna throw up.
Why?
Okay, you can take your
I
blindfold
want
off.
to throw up because it's a really pretty color.
Yes. Ready? I'm taking your blindfold off. I told you I'm gonna throw up.
What is there chunks in there?
That's the glue. You didn't even add any glue. You added brown, a lot of brown, and green. And you're going to add blue, but you didn't. And I put your cranberry juice back on your table.
Okay, guys, so
Yeah.
mine's really chunky.
Okay. We'll be back when we clean this up.
Okay, so we cleaned up the mess. It was really messy.
And now it's
son's
my
in here.
turn. Yeah, and now it's my turn to bake my slime. So I'm gonna put my blindfold on, and Megan's gonna move all the stuff around.
Okay, so let me just say, where's the activator?
I hate that noise.
You don't know where the activator is?
I hate that noise. I hate that noise.
Oh, I had to.
I probably go.
Oh, it's on that table.
Come it to me. Okay. So sometimes me and my brother and like we always think that Janie cheats because she.
But I don't. I swear I don't.
Okay, so I do not cheat, Janie. Okay.
I do not.
Go on.
Okay.
I do not care.
I don't care.
I don't.
I don't see it. It's not heavy at all. The truck.
How do you know that was a truck?
I don't know. Just say it's a truck. There's nothing in here.
Yeah, you need more.
Stop. Don't say.
Just saying, did you add nothing?
Good.
Ooh.
I always
Oh,
like.
it's actually, that's actually a good amount. Just saying.
Okay, now let's try to add a color. Okay, guys. So I have these 3 colors. I'm gonna pick out one of them. So let's pick Okay, let's take this one. Where's it? I'm not doing that color because that's probably the brown.
No.
Where's this? There we go. I'm gonna add some more.
Oh, oh, oh.
I don't know why, but my senses are tingling that it's blue. Like the dark blue. It's my senses. They're tingling. They're tingling. I swear they're tingling that it's dark blue. I don't know why, but I really want to make a dark blue slime. Did Robert leave? Did Robert leave?
Yes, on the left.
Stop moving things.
Okay. Oh wait, you should mix that up. The water's like.
You can't tell me anything,
Oh,
okay?
sorry.
Stop. Don't touch me. Did I touch you?
Yes, you did.
Hi, Robert.
That's crap of mine. Just so.
I don't know why my senses are tingling. I see the blue or
Water
purple.
just made a little bit of a mess.
Can you give me my bowl? Can you clean that up?
Yes, I am. Where did you get pink from the bowl, like on the top? Cause oh, I know where that's from. It's when you made it before the first time when I pinched you in your nose. Okay, can you stop doing that? Ooh.
Guys, this is my slime so far. It seems so good. Okay, I'm gonna knead it. Oh no, but there's like, it's still like gluey or something on the bottom. My senses are tingling that blue or purple, I swear to God.
What's your favorite color?
I don't know. Purple? Why?
I don't know, I'm just answering.
It's purple.
What?
So it's purple.
No, it's not.
Eek.
It's not purple.
Okay, I'm gonna start with my slime.
Ooh, this is actually a nice slime. Sorry, I'm taking a piece that was off on
This
the
is
table.
like, okay, this is my slime so far, guys. Look at this slime. Stop!
I was just adding that piece that I had in my hand. Robert, was I?
Can you pick my bowl up?
No, I can't help you.
Can you just pick my bowl
I
up?
can't help you.
Pick my bowl up now.
I can't help you.
Do you want me to slap you in the face?
I can't help you.
Can you just pick my bowl up?
Oh, that's hurt my bowl. I can't really help you in this.
Okay, I think I'm done, guys. So I'm gonna take my blindfold off. No, stop! I can take my.
I'm not picking up your bowl.
3. Oh, I did make it brown.
Just there, it's blue or purple. Okay.
It's not that bad of slime. I can barely see, guys.
Okay, so
It kind of looks like pink.
turn it off.
Why does it kind of look like pink?
Because you barely added any of that in, and because see how I'm the ribbing.
Yeah. No, that's on mine. This is the one I used.
What is?
It has brown on it.
What? What are you talking about?
This is the bowl I used.
No, yes, that's the bowl you used. But see how there's pink up
Yeah.
there?
So that's where it's
Okay,
pink.
where's the? Okay, guys. So in this thing, you guys are probably wondering why is there even this thing? Me and Jamie like to call this the dead Stop it.
slime.
the grave kind of for slime. So all of our bad slimes are literally in here. Because one day me and Jamie decided to do a slime smoothie with our friends. So we did that, and it was really low. It was like up to here.
No, it was still high.
No. And so it was low. So then me and Jamie decided, once our friends left, we decided to make it our trash slime. So all the time when we make a trash slime, it goes in here. So anytime you see us doing a slime video or anything, it goes in here.
That's
Or as
a
our
bad
brother
slime.
likes to call it, the slimes when they're dead. So of course my slime's gotta go in there. So let's just, I don't really want
That's
plop it in there. Okay, so we're just gonna, you see? We're just gonna knead it.
My slime? Guys, my slime is perfect.
I mean, it's brown, but it's really.
It's a really good slime.
So,
My senses were freaking tingling. That's blue purple.
Blue
Sorry,
and
that's our
that was
dog Tampa. We could show you guys in our next video her.
even though that, like, even if they're pretty colors, but if they're just bad and we don't like them, like if they're bad and they're not stretchy and stuff, we throw them. See, like how now. It's real bad. Okay, so I think that should be good. Should we take the whole thing out and see it?
No.
Show them? No. So, this is the slime. So, So, this is our trash slime, that's what we call it. So, some green in there. A lot of the purple took over, but that is our trash slime.
Okay, so guys,
Thanks for
Thanks for
watching.
watching.
Make sure to subscribe.
subscribe, like, and share. Comment below.
What? So the question of the day is, what's your favorite kind of slime?
Butter, fluffy, regular,
Glossy, jiggly, any
like any
slime.
slime. So,
Bye, guys!